Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Tom Spark. Welcome back to another video. Looks like I was right in recommending Surfshark Antivirus and telling you to stay away from some of those other pesky products. I actually have a video coming up very shortly. I had it scheduled on my channel. It was coming out. Let's see here. It should be coming out. Wait, did I already make the video? Oh, that's right, I did. It is right here saying other antiviruses are ripoff and giving you my recommendation to try out Surfshark's antivirus. It's a reputable VPN company. It makes a reputable antivirus. It's a good deal, and you don't really need to buy any other antivirus because lots of times the pricing schemes are complicated. They have ties to the Russian government or something like that. Yeah, so probably not the best idea to use those, right? Well, look what's in the news now. Yikes, let's just put it that way. Apparently, the U.S. has kind of started going after and telling people and kind of making Kapersky not operable within the United States due to its ties to the Russian government, or at least the Russian kind of state is a Russian cybersecurity company anyway. The U.S. decided to shut down Kapersky operations and lay off U.S.-based employees in response to U.S. government adding Kaspersky to the entity list, the catalog of foreign individuals, companies, and organizations deemed a national security concern. So yeah, not very good, right? But the funny part is Kapersky was like, this Kapersky employee saying it's a different company, it's a trusted partner. You could find more information here. This guy says UltraAV has been around for 2 months. Without too much digging, my bet is Kapersky has incorporated out of Russia and is reselling as Ultra Antivirus. Because we'll find out. They confirmed it is from the company. This is also my bet. They're just doing a rebranding. So, yeah. I don't know about that, guys. But me personally, I'm a little skeptical of them doing this out of their goodwill. And it looks like they just kind of sent out a couple emails. A lot of people seem to miss it. And then a month later, it turns out a different antivirus was installed on their computer called UltraAV. Now, this is a VPN, or not a VPN, actually. It's an antivirus owned by Pongo. You might have heard of Pongo. I've discussed them here on the channel before. They actually do own a couple other VPNs like Hotspot Shield. They actually own an OVPN now. They bought that one and its reputation kind of went down the drain. They actually own a couple review sites like Comparattach, so if you ever see a review there. Outside of that though, Kaspersky was kind of a notable antivirus. It's been around for a long time, although I never used it just because I knew it kind of ties to the Russian state. You never really want to be using a service in one of those dictatorship countries, China, Russia, Iran, some of those other ones. You know, some of these states that are very high on censorship, maybe something like Egypt as well. So that was why I never used it, but you know, some people might have used it. It got good scores for testing and security and stuff like that, but like I said, at the end of the day, I don't think these services are really worth it anymore. They charge too much, offer too little, and they're just filled with side products. Now, apparently, people are kind of arguing on the forums about this. A lot of people are upset they didn't see the email. They just had this thing on their computer. They're worried it's an antivirus. It is a virus, not an antivirus. Apparently, some people have had trouble getting it off the computer. There's an official response Friday. And this is pretty recently, so they kind of made a chart to show like, hey, you know, it's okay guys, we installed this on your computer, we swapped it out here, and it's actually better than Kapersky. But if you look at this chart, where is it better? It's just got these weird little extras: real-time authentication alerts, high-risk transaction monitoring, identity threats. So nothing you really need. They do give you a VPN and a password manager, some other random things, so it's not really better. And in fact, it's missing some of these webcam protection, online payment protection features, and it has a VPN. So yeah, where is this even rated on a reputable testing website? I don't see UltraVPN here, or UltraAV anywhere here. It's not really that well known. I've never heard of it for sure. I know UltraVPN, it's just kind of like, I think I might have reviewed it once. I don't think it was any good. But yeah, I don't really see anyone talking about this. So in my opinion, should you stick with UltraAV? I would say no. Once again, I do think one of the better options nowadays is to pick a reputable VPN provider that also happens to make antivirus. Fortunately for you, Surfshark has it actually built into their application, so you can combine two things into one. You don't need multiple apps or anything like that. I'm not sponsored by Surfshark. I am an affiliate for them, just like lots of other VPNs, and they even gave me a special discount for you guys if you're interested. Let me show you the antivirus. It's very nice. You could have it built into the application here, and this is the actual VPN, so you don't need separate applications. Like I said, very simple to use, very lightweight, gets high scores on this website as well. Should be around here somewhere. So as you can see here, it gets very high scores, so no issues there. Anyways, guys, like I said, if you want to check out Surfshark, it's a reputable company based in the Netherlands, not Russia. Like I said, I have a link in the description down below. You get 4 months extra free. It's going to be a better deal than whatever Ultra Antivirus or Kapersky is telling you to get. You can get the one package, $72 for 28 months, and it includes VPN. A lot more stuff and better stuff than Kaspersky or UltraAV. So check that out if you guys are interested. Let me know what you think. This is in the description down below of this story. It's kind of funny, kind of weird, kind of sad, but definitely interesting nonetheless. All right, guys, I'll see you again very soon.